Hello everyone, welcome back. This video shows you how to convert image text into PDF. Here you can see, I have an image, which includes text. I am going to convert this image into PDF document. Close this image for now. Open blank Word document. Minimize it. Simply, drag and drop this text image into Word document. Here you can see, this is still an image in Word document. I am going to save it as PDF documents in my desktop. I am also going to give it a name, image text to PDF. And save it as PDF. Here you can see, it has been saved as a PDF document. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you have learned something new today. If you like the video, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel, Unique Bundle.